Hi, I'm Biagio, and today we're going to be doing a Lego competition in under 10 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so this time they're going to be building things. They may be building different things. They're not going to necessarily build the same thing. The idea is for the audience, you all watching, to be able to select whose you believe is the best at the end of the 10 minutes.
Yeah, we're not using that.
Yeah, we're not using
We already said that. That's the kid who didn't want to use that.
Well, change my mind.
1 minute down.
Oh.
That's right. You better start getting to building. If all you're doing is selecting pieces, you're not going to get anything
I
built.
thought 10 minutes was a lot shorter than what you did.
So it looks like Biagio might have the start of a wall going up so far.
Yeah.
Belton's still trying to design maybe what he's trying to do. Not sure. Let's see. Abriana's building right into her hand at the moment. Hasn't really started to put it together just yet
Yep.
fully in terms of what she might be making.
I built it wrong.
Oh well. Yeah, I don't want your sister though. Doesn't my sister?
2 minutes down.
Already?
Why are you acting like it's...
All right, Biagio, tell the people in the audience what you're building. You can keep building, just
I'm building a Lego house.
a Lego house. Okay. What kind of house is it going to be?
Like a normal house.
Okay, like a 1-story, a 2-story?
A normal house.
18-story.
Bro, he said it's a normal house.
Okay,
So 1 story.
okay.
Just like ours.
All right, Belton, what are you trying to do for our audience today?
A boat. I'm building a water. Wait.
Jet
A watercraft?
Like a boat.
A boat, okay. All right. So we've got a house, we've got a boat. Maybe the other one's doing a boathouse. I don't know.
Nope.
Okay, Abriana, what are you doing for our audience today?
I'm building a lightsaber.
A lightsaber for all the Star Wars fans.
Yeah, Star Wars.
All right.
We are the coin. Need this one. Using this brick. Or this. You know which one?
And they're only allowed to use the Legos that are in this bin that they have in front of them.
Yeah, it's kind of hard. But I
All the pieces
got
need,
this.
And then now I can't.
Brick. Got brick.
Okay, 4 minutes down. We're almost halfway.
I didn't do this. Okay, 2-1, boss.
Shut
That's fine.
up.
2-1.
I can't build at the same time. Okay. What color do I make the lightsaber? What color do we have the most of? White? Red? Yeah, probably.
So when you all watch this and you're looking to judge the 3 different builds, think about design, imaginativeness, and its overall uniqueness as you kind of make your decision on which one you think is better overall.
just smooth.
Halfway.
I don't know. I'm going to just bury it if you need to lose it. Okay.
Look at that boat, people.
Yeah. What is that boat?
It's better than your boat.
Look at this house.
Look at that house. I'm still
Here,
still
here's
making more.
the door, bro.
That is a window.
That's the door.
Look at that. Look at that lightsaber there.
Why is it so fat?
Yeah. That's that. It's
Because
that
we don't
bad
have
view.
the pieces that I need.
It's that bad view.
Biagio,
What? Not even. What? Just kidding.
tell me.
Ton.
Stop.
Dun, dun, dun. 4 minutes left.
Do we have like any like red ramps?
Oh, red ramp.
I said ramps. That's not a ramp. Idiot. Is this Ken? Look at this. It looks like you broke the tip off.
Yeah.
Oh, I found one. I just need another one. Oh. Oh my gosh, I finished.
Already?
Okay, is there anything more you want to add to it?
I don't know.
I mean, you don't have to.
I'll see.
It's up to you. Remember, you're trying to get those votes from the studio audience.
Yeah. That's so skibbery.
Yourself in that.
I just wanna be a Sigma. Come here. Give me on, yeah.
Bro, you can't take my pieces.
Bro, I need some blocks.
Guys, all the pieces disappeared after I
This
needed them.
kid's a cheater.
I changed up my plan. I'm actually building a garage.
A garage now. Okay, so Biagio's house is now being morphed into a garage, apparently. So
No, this can't
we'll
go
see how
center.
that works.
This can't go center because.
Don't cry like a little
Shut up.
baby. You don't cry.
Sibling rivalry at its best on a Sunday afternoon.
Bye. Bye.
I
Please.
need a flat block.
Please.
2 minutes left.
No. No, there isn't.
2 minutes.
You're a liar. Because I said so. Wait, I need that piece. I took it back. Or wait, I need it to go like
Belton, you're right.
Honestly, I don't even know what.
And then I need white. I need white.
That looks like the sword of Zelda down there. That lightsaber. It also could double as a sword of Zelda.
No, you don't.
Yes,
You
I do
don't
for
need
my
anything.
toilet.
I'm about to crash out.
You already are, bro. Can you not tell?
Can't we tell? Are you are?
Wait, I'm actually a genius.
1 minute remaining.
Stop.
What?
No, it isn't. What are you
Well, I
talking
kind
about?
of was a genius until now. Until you said that.
No, wait. Oh, wait. Give us like 2 minutes.
Nope.
12.
Nope.
I don't know what I'm making
45
anymore.
seconds.
I'm just building. I don't even know what I'm making. I'm just putting pieces on.
Yeah, me too, honestly.
Well, this is a whole separate thing. I am not even building on what I originally started with.
Okay.
30 seconds.
Stop. No, I'm cheating. No, yeah.
No, can't cheat.
Cheating.
No cheating.
I made another one. This one's different.
Awesome.
Oh wait.
Awesome. We'll have to put them
Wait,
with each other as a collection. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Designs down, hands up. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. All right. So let's see. Let's get this one out here first. This one out. Okay. So here is Belton's watercraft. Okay, let's look. We'll take a few different views here.
Can I explain?
No.
Okay, and now Belton will explain it.
Okay, so here's a jet ski, as you can tell, I hope. And then here's a deck where you can stand and jump off into the abyss.
Into the abyss. Okay.
Here's the window to go fast. And then there's a wing. Yeah, totally. I don't know.
Okay, and then we've got Biagio's garage. Okay, so he did remove one wall so that he could have an entryway. It looks like for the vehicles to come in on this side. He's got a little. What kind of car is that supposed to be?
Lamborghini.
A Lamborghini. So it's a Lambo garage. Okay. Awesome. And then our final designs
Oh, okay.
I have something.
are our lightsaber / sword of Zelda, black
No,
and
it's
red,
a lightsaber and a potion.
and a potion. So again, that to me sounds like it has something to do with Zelda or some other video game. So you've got your potion and your lightsaber / sword.
Found a
Okay,
different car.
so again,
Found a
that
different
design, this design will be design number 3.
Found-
This is design number 2.
I found
This is design number 1. Move the
found
car.
a different car.
Okay. So, which one is the best? Remember, think about imaginative, design quality, whatever things you would think of that go into a good design in your opinion, and let us know who's the winner.